In this video, you will see how to insert tick symbol in LibreOffice Writer. It's very easy. To insert the tick symbol or right symbol, you need to click on the Insert tab here. At the bottom, you will see the option of Special Characters. After clicking on it, you will see this Special Character window. Under the Fonts option, you need to select the option Wingding. You will need to scroll down at the bottom and just select the option Wingdings. You will be here. You need to scroll down again at the bottom, and here is the tick symbol. After clicking on it, you can just click on Insert to insert the tick symbol in LibreOffice Writer quickly. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn LibreOffice Writer quickly. See you again in the next one.